EPFO 3.0. The Employees Provident Fund Organization EPFO, India's premier retirement fund body, is undertaking a new phase of digital and institutional reform. EPFO 3.0. These reforms aim to simplify access, enhance portability, prepare for expanded social security coverage under the labor codes, and build upon earlier changes under EPFO 2.0 aimed at easing withdrawals and claim settlements. EPFO is in the final stages of floating a tender for IT platform implementation and has shortlisted firms like Wipro, Infosys, TCS. EPFO 2.0 nearing completion and only pension claim and annual accounts modules pending. EPFO Nature of Body. It is a premier Indian statutory body under the Ministry of Labour and Employment established in 1952 to provide social security to the organized workforce. Functions. It manages compulsory contributory provident fund, pension and insurance schemes, specifically EPF 1952, EPS 1995 and EDLI 1976, ensuring retirement saving and financial security for employees, active members and corpus. It currently has nearly 8 crore active members and maintains a corpus of around Rs 28 lakh crore. Coverage. EPFO coverage is mandatory for establishment with 20 or more employees, with the coverage now extending to all establishments having 20 or more employees regardless of the industry under the new Social Security Code. EPFO 3.0 Key reforms proposed. Centralized core banking solution. Introduction of a nationwide centralized system akin to banking operations. Members can access accounts and resolve issues at any EPFO office across India. It seeks to enhance portability for migrant and interstate workers. New user-friendly portal. Revamped EPFO website with improved navigation, integration of AI-backed language translation tools using Bhasini. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology initiative. It will facilitate access in vernacular languages, improving inclusivity. Preparation for labor codes implementation. EPFO is likely to administer social security funds for unorganized workers, separate fund envisaged for gig and platform workers. It addresses expansion in scale and scope of EPFO operations. EPFO 2.0 Ongoing and completed reforms. Liberalizing withdrawal norms. It will streamline the withdrawal categories from 13 to 3 essential needs: illness, education, marriage, housing needs, and special circumstances. Minimum unemployment period for premature final settlement increased from 2 months to 12 months. UPI linked withdrawal facility. Under the UPI facility, member can withdraw funds using the BHIM app. They will also be able to separately view their available balance, the balance eligible for withdrawal, and the minimum 25% balance. The withdrawal amount could be initially capped of Rs 25,000 per transaction. Self-correction of personal details. Members are allowed to correct personal details without employer EPFO approval, applicable to name, date of birth, gender, marital status, and dates of joining, leaving, etc. For UANs issued before 1 October 2017, employers can make corrections without EPFO approval. Impact: about 32.23 lakh profile corrections completed till December 2025. Challenges and way forward. Managing skill expansion with inclusion of unorganized workers, leveraging digital public infrastructure like UPI and Bhasini, ensuring data security and cyber resilience. In centralized system, phased implementation of EPFO 3.0 with strong IT governance, digital literacy gap among workers, capacity building of EPFO staff, and awareness among beneficiaries. Smooth transition from legacy systems. Coordination with states for effective rollout of labor codes. Conclusion. EPFO 3.0 marks a significant shift toward a portable, inclusive and technology-driven social security ecosystem. By adopting centralizing banking solution, AI-enabled multilingual access and simplified rules, EPFO is aligning itself with the goals of ease of living, labor mobility, and universal social security. It makes it a critical reform from the perspective of governance, digitalization, and labor welfare.